This is Jerry Gonzalez and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you my channel for the first time, we are doing budget database project in parallel with the tutorial. You could maximize the benefits of this video if you will also view the preceding tutorials in this channel. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you will not miss new videos. Should you have other database projects in mind that you want to be done in this tutorial, or idea to improve our channel, please write your comments below. This is the form that we did in our last session, and we will format it to look like this. Let's start. Go to MS Access. This is the latest version of the database that we are working on, developed in the video titled Query by Form, QBF. Open the form FRM Expenses. Following the final format that have been shown earlier, all the text boxes including combo box and list box should be sunken. To do this, go to Design View. Highlight all the text boxes. While pressing the Control key, select the other set of text boxes and list box. Go to Property Sheet. Under Format tab, look for Special Effect. Change the assignment to Sunken. Then you will see that all the text boxes are now sunken. The text box for particulars should be stretched so that it will be aligned with other text boxes. We will do the same for budget category. I want the font color of all the text within the form to be black. Click anywhere blank within the form and press Ctrl A. This will highlight all the elements within the form. Go to Home menu. For the font color, choose Automatic, which is black. You will also notice that there are wide gaps between the text boxes and their labels. To decrease these gaps, highlight the labels and apply Align Right. Now we can shorten the length of the label boxes. Then while the labels are still highlighted, apply Align Left. We will do the same for the other set of labels. The users might get confused for the use of these text boxes. They might think that these are for data entry. To avoid that confusion, it is good practice to group these text boxes by enclosing it to a rectangle with a title Search Criteria. Go to Design menu. Under Control section, click Rectangle and drop and drag it to enclose all the text boxes. For the title, click Label. Drop and drag it to the upper portion of the rectangle, then write Search Criteria. Now it will be clear to the users that these text boxes are used for filtering of records. You will notice that the line from the is visible to Search Criteria label. This is not good aesthetically. To avoid this, highlight the Search Criteria. Then go to Format tab. Set the box style to normal. I want the text here to be at the middle of the box. Go to Home menu and choose Center. Then for font color, I want it to be black. I also want to change the color of the form. To do this, click anywhere blank in the form, go to Back Color and Format tab, and change the assignment to System Button Face. The background of search criteria should be uniform with the color of the form. Highlight it and change the assignment for back color. Click the drop-down list and look for System Button Face. The clear and search buttons, I prefer it to be nearer to search criteria. Adjust the height of the list box. Now, align the search button, list box, and close button. To do that, select those elements, the search button, the list box, and the close button. Go to Arrange menu, click Align, select Left. Move the clear button to make it closer to search button. Stretch the rectangle to align it to the list box. Then move the search criteria to the left. Let's check the result. Go to Form View. The search criteria is in place as well as the close button. I want to get rid of the record selector and navigation buttons. The record selectors and the record buttons or the navigation buttons. To do that, go back to Design View, click the small square. Then go to All tab in the Property sheet. Then look for the record selector and change the assignment to No. The same with navigation button, change the assignment to No. We don't want our forms to have scroll bars. Change its assignment to Neither. Click Save and go to Form View. Now our form does not have record selector and navigation buttons. Suppose we want to filter the records with IDs from 1 to 2, just type 1 and 2 and press Enter. Our shortcut key for search is the Enter key. But if we want to clear the search criteria, we could delete it one by one or click Clear button. Is it possible to have shortcut keys for Clear button? Yes, it's possible. To do that, go to Design View. Click Clear button, go to All tab. In caption, insert ampersand before letter C. Then click Tab so that the focus will move from the caption. You will notice from the clear button that letter C now is underlined. This shows that the shortcut keys for this button is Alt plus C. Save the form and go to Form View. Let's look for fuel under particular field. Type *fuel, then hit enter. If you want to clear the criteria, press Alt-C. You will see that the search criteria is cleared. Suppose you also want to assign shortcut key for close button. We could no longer use C because this is already used for clear button. We could use the second letter of the word close, which is letter L. Go to Design View. Before assigning shortcut key for close button, let me align first these two text boxes. Select both text boxes. Then go to Arrange menu, select Align Top. Then let's go back to close button. Click close. Go to caption. Insert ampersand before letter I. Letter L rather. Press Tab key. You will notice that letter I in close button is now underlined. This means that the shortcut key is Alt plus L. Click Save, then go to Form View. Let's try if the shortcut keys for close will work. Press Alt L. There you go, it closes the form. Open the form again, double click FRM expenses. Most of the forms in database looks the same. Thus, it is a good idea if each form will have its title to identify it easily. Go back to Design View. Right-click anywhere blank in the form, then choose Form Header Footer. Adjust the height of the header. Click Label in Control section. Drop and drag it in the header area. Type Expenses Form. Change the font size to 20 and the font color to black. You can change the color of the header section by clicking anywhere blank in the section, then go to back color. Click the ellipsis and choose your preferred color. Click Save and go to Form View. Now we have the title for our form. Now, we can filter our records, but we could not add, edit, or delete records. For the purpose of formatting, we will place the label for these functions, but the commands and related forms will be added in the succeeding video. Go to Design View. Select Label. Drop and drag it here. Type Add. Copy and paste this label. Then change the text to Edit. Copy and paste this label again. Change the text to Delete. I want all this text to be at the center of their boxes. Select 3 labels, go to Home menu, and click Center. Reduce the length of the boxes. I want these boxes to be closer to each other. Go to Arrange menu, then click the drop-down list for size spacing. Choose Decrease Horizontal. Do this several times until they are closer to each other as you want. Then change the font style, go to Home menu and click the drop down list for font color. Choose more colors, then go to Standard tab, choose blue to mimic hyperlink text. Click OK. Make the text box bold, italicized, and underlined. Then move it downwards so that it will be closer to the list box. Just a reminder, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you will not miss any new videos from this channel. It is also a good idea to add a button when click will open the filtered records in table form. This format could be copied and pasted to Excel worksheets. Let's begin with providing this button, and command will be embedded to it will be presented in the succeeding video. Go to design menu, select command button, drop and drag it here, click cancel. Change the text to open table. Click save. Go back to form view. Now our expenses form is already formatted. That's all for now. Next video we will discuss action queries that are important for the add, edit, and delete functions. And thank you for watching.